In a ceremony held at the police headquarters in Imphal, Manipur's pride and 2024 Paris Olympians Mirabai Chanu and Shanglakpam Nilakanta Sharma were felicitated by the Director General of Police DGP Manipur, along with other senior police officials. The ceremony underscored the state's immense pride in the athletes' achievements, highlighting their vital contributions to the nation on the global stage. The DGP and the senior officials expressed their admiration and pledged unwavering support for the athletes' future endeavor. Mirabai Chanu's quest for a second consecutive Olympic medal ended in a narrow miss as he secured a fourth-place finish at the Paris Olympics weightlifting event with an aggregate of 199 kg. The Tokyo Games silver medalist fell just 1 kilogram short of a podium spot at the South Paris Arena. Mirabai Chanu, who had aimed for a 200 kg plus total to clinch a medal, had overcome a significant hip injury sustained at the Asian Games, which had sidelined her from competition for 4 months. Despite this setback, she made impressive strides in her preparation for the Olympics.